And ground stroke, you've heard me say this many times the last 30 years, not a wrong way or a right way, there's a better way. Everybody knows today's game's quicker, faster. That's why we really promote the ATP forehand where the racket goes to the outside. But let me explain why a lot of people, especially younger kids, they do it the other way. The body, the human body, there's a joint here, a joint there, and a joint there. There's what I call the three hinges. This is a hinge, and a hinge. It's very natural for these hinges to go this way. That's very natural movement to hinge. It might not feel natural for people to go that way. So you got these three hinges. I'm not saying you can't do the stroke going this way where the racket comes in a semicircle, but understand the human body, okay? I would try both strokes because as the game gets quicker and faster, we prefer the ATP forehand, which obviously a lot of girls on the WTA do that also because the game is so much quicker, you want a shorter stroke. But understand the three hinges and you'll understand why this way would be a better way.